President Moon Jae-in visited a vaccine production plant. There, he highlighted that a deal between Novavax and SK Bioscience raises the possibility of the country securing additional vaccines. Jang Tae-hyun has our top story.
South Korea has secured enough vaccines for its entire population, but is working on a deal to acquire more. President Moon Jae-in made this announcement on Wednesday while visiting a COVID-19 vaccine production plant.
최근 노바백스사와 SK 바이오사이언스 간에도 계약이 추진되면서 지금까지 확보한 5,600만 명 분의 백신에 더해 2천만 명 분의 백신을 추가로 확보할 가능성이 열렸습니다. 정부도 전량 구매를 통해 추가 물량으로 확보할 계획입니다.
The president vowed support for the country's bio companies so they can produce vaccines locally and give South Korea vaccine sovereignty. As part of the agreement, SK Bioscience will be able to produce the vaccines. South Korea has secured 56 million COVID-19 vaccines in total from a number of different companies. And with the potential Novavax vaccine, there will be enough for 20 million more people. In the meantime, health authorities say it hasn't been decided when the Novavax vaccines will arrive in the country and that more details will be announced later this month. But this differs from the Prime Minister's remarks on Wednesday that the initial supply from the COVAX facility is likely to arrive in February. The country's daily caseload is showing signs of a slowdown, but health authorities have reiterated why the stronger social distancing measures are still in place.
No gatherings of 5 or more is a measure made for the third wave. This will not depend on the number of daily cases, but on a general judgment of how long the third wave is likely to last and what the risks are.
On Wednesday, there were 404 new cases, 373 local and 31 imported. There are currently more than 300 patients who are severely ill, and with 17 additional fatalities, the death toll is at 1,300. Jang Tae-hyun, Arirang News.